Hey, happy client check-in. Today, I want to share with you some really exciting news. We have gifts for new clients right now where they're able to get $75 off and triple rewards for their next month. So that's like almost $100 off their second month. So in this information, like how can I bless you as my clients? Well, I always do referral credit. So if you have anybody that comes to your heart that like think about how your health has changed. Could it bless anybody you know? I think that it's easy to kind of forget about how much it changes our life as we shift mindset and habits. So anyways, if there's anybody that comes to mind that could benefit, I would love to serve and bless in any way that is, whether it's the free health assessment, whether it's the free health challenge, or if they're ready to really dive in and get healthier, then I do the $25 referral credit. So that's super fun. And then the other thing too, I wonder if you are willing to help me towards a goal. So I would love to help assist about 10 to 15 new clients this month. And if I'm able to reach my goal, I just would be so excited. So if you would like to help me with that, I would love to ask you if you're willing to post for me. And it is like I have a picture of me and like saying something about it being a big gift and just like, hey, shout out to my friend Jen. She's a health and wellness coach. I told her I'd help her spread the word about what she does. If you know anybody who struggles with their health or who's wanting to get healthier for the summer, she has a big gift to offer or something like that. So it would be something sort of short and sweet. So if you're willing to help me out with a post, I would love that, or sending it out as a text to friends and, giving them my jot form or something. So super excited about all that. The other thing that's an option, and as you know, coaching, it's not for everybody. Not everybody needs to coach. But I'm telling you, it's just changed my life. And I do believe anyone is capable of coaching because we just do it together. Everybody who coaches knows nothing about coaching, and we just do it hands on, step by step. And I literally do it for you at the beginning. So it's kind of cool. That's just how our model is run so that coaches can learn hands on. So if that's up your alley, let me know. I would love to help you with that because for any of the new coaches to be able to give that type of a gift to new clients is pretty significant. So let's get back to our client check-in. So those were a couple of the announcements. And I wanted to say that I am finishing the Habits of Health book read from front cover to back cover this week. I have just a few more pages that I'm going to finish off, and I'm so excited. I just want to emphasize, we have 4 components to our program, not just the nutrition. That's only one. And it's like a car. Like, you're really not going to get the results if you're just doing nutrition. So having a health coach, having an education, which is the life book or the Habits of Health book, the transformational system, having the community where we do fun things together like the Fresh Start Challenge or the Monday night webinars, and fourth, having a coach, one-on-one support. So they've done studies. Clients who speak to their coach weekly lose twice as much weight as clients who don't. Now, it's not that I'm the magic answer. It's that you're taking personal responsibility to being accountable by calling me. So today's my client check-in. I would love to hear from you. And there are some times when it's like super crazy. You can send me a text sometimes, but like good, better, best, it really makes a big difference to have that vocal conversation. There is something about the vulnerability of hopping on the phone, even if it's 1 minute, that helps you connect and feel authentic and I don't know, there's just something special about it. So I'm so excited to chat with you and hear what your wins are, what your goals are for this week, where you are in the life book, and if there's anybody that comes to mind, or if you'd be willing to post for me or something in that realm as far as referrals go. So anything I can do to serve you, please let me know. And I was thinking that I have a grilling summer link. I think I've shared that before. I'll put the link in the comments or something like that too. Trying to think if there's anything else fun. Oh, by the way, this is huge. This is the other huge announcement. Convention. There's a early bird special until Wednesday, and then it will go to regular pricing for convention. You do not have to be a client or a coach to even come. But the client experience is kind of cool. So like you're just going to apply everything to whatever. If you're like already working, then you apply it to your own business, or as a parent, you apply the concepts and different things to parenting. So personal development, I really believe there is just something magical about it when we really actually dive into it. And so going to Optavia convention will give you the chance to have that personal development. And it's so fun to be together. There's a dance party and there's classes that we go to and we learn from, and you see all these people who've changed their lives, and the positivity is just contagious. So I just want to invite you personally, please let me know ASAP if you are coming to convention. I have a couple rooms in first come first serve, but I wanted to fill those up with friends, and we can all just divide it by 4. If you're a female, if you're a male, then you can come with your spouse, and that'd be super fun, or whatever you want to do. Hope you're having a great day, and thanks for taking time to watch this video.